In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a transaction in Wave. To begin, head over to your Wave dashboard. Once you're here, look at the left-hand side menu and click on the Accounting option to expand it. From there, select the Transactions option, which will take you to a page displaying all of your recorded transactions. Now, if you want to edit a transaction, it is very straightforward. Hover your mouse over the transaction you want to modify, and you will see main editable fields. Clicking on the date box allows you to change the date. Clicking on the description box lets you update the description, and you can do the same for other fields. If you prefer a more detailed view with additional options, click on the arrow at the end of the transaction line and select Edit More Details. In this expanded view, you can modify the same fields such as date, description, and amount, along with additional options like including sales tax or adding a customer. Clicking on Customer will open a box where you can select an existing customer from your Wave account or create a new one. You can also use the Split Transaction option if the transaction should be divided, and you can add notes if needed. Once your changes are complete, click on Save to apply them. If you wish to delete a transaction, the process is equally simple. Hover over the transaction and click the arrow at the end to reveal the menu, then select Delete. A confirmation box will appear. Once you click Delete again, the transaction will be permanently removed, so ensure you have selected the correct one. To delete multiple transactions at once, select the checkboxes at the start of each transaction, click on the bin icon at the top, and confirm deletion. Once completed, the selected transactions will be permanently removed. This is the complete process for editing and deleting transactions in Wave.